I'm just a half a block from Broadway, which is the main street here in Nashville, Tennessee. Hey there guys, I just thought it might be time for another Scavenger Steve video. I find myself today in downtown Nashville, Tennessee. Look at the museum right there, you see that? We didn't have any money, but my sister Eileen saved her 50 cents per hour babysitting money and joined the Johnny Cash fan club in the very early 60s. I tell people we had Johnny Cash for breakfast, Johnny Cash for lunch, and Johnny Cash for supper 7 days a week, 24/7 sometimes. But I want to just tell you something. The world is opening up, and I'm just a half a block from Broadway, which is the main street here in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm going to walk up that way now and show you that people are coming in from all over. They are like herds of cattle going down a narrow alley, not finding enough room even to walk. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So let me just do a little filming here. You can see what's behind me. Just came out of the Johnny Cash Museum. I spent 2 hours in there. It felt like only 2 minutes. I spent exactly 2 hours there, and I'm going back tomorrow. Marvelous place to be, an absolute marvelous place to be. I'm almost to the corner of Broadway and 3rd Avenue, North 3rd Avenue and Broadway. All right, so it just gives you an idea of the people. I'm going to show you a little bit more of how the people are just flooding these streets off to your right as soon as I turn the camera around. I'm going to walk a little more here and catch up with who's in front of me. You'll just see huge crowds of people, incredibly large crowds of people. Always love sharing information. Hope you got a little bit out of that. Not much of a message for you, just to tell you that I'm checking in on you. Thought you might be interested a little bit in where I am today in Nashville, Tennessee. Take good care. We'll see you the very next time. And this is Scavenger Steve reminding you to go seize the day and scavenge your way, because that's what I'm doing here. I'm scavenging my way with more bigger and better business ideas. Seeing crowds like this, I can transform some of these ideas into something, and you can too. You just have to wear the scavenger's mindset, adapt to it, adopt it, and you will be walking on air. It's not a guarantee, but it takes you almost there with a little bit of drive and determination. Over 3 minutes now. I'm going to let you go. Bye-bye. Take care. See you next time.